Nokia have been well represented at events, industry events around the world for many years. They're a trusted brand, trusted partner for many IXPs, and fortunately for LINX, one of our trusted partners now. Moving into Africa and into Kenya is something new for LINX, and with any new venture you want to mitigate risks, and so we picked Nokia as a partner to help us do exactly that. Selecting their data center fabric products, we know that it's the right cost point for the market that we're moving into, but also the manageability and the operation aspects of it means that we can have a reliable, trusted platform operating remotely that our NOC, our Network Operations Centre here in London, can maintain and offer the same quality of service as we do in the UK. LINX NoVA has been established for a number of years, and I'm amazed actually how long the invested technology has lasted us. It's been fantastic, but the technology needs to be refreshed. So it's a change point for that fabric out there. At the same time, we're expanding. We're doing a promotion. We've picked up some new partners, and we're looking to expand the network. And so picking the right technology to refresh, using the Nokia platform, gives us the best opportunity to continue to expand, add the scale, and continue to manage that remotely well. As with the process for Kenya, we took a similar process for North Virginia. We go out to various vendors to talk to them about their offering, and with Nokia, having been successful in Kenya, in Nairobi, we were fairly well advanced in understanding what their offering is, and I think ultimately they proved that the fabric that we could put out into North Virginia had the right cost point for that market. It had the right level of manageability that already worked through our systems and our tooling. And we think it's got the right scalability for the size of the market and where we want to see NoVA go from a growth point of view. Nokia's operating system for the SR family is well tested, their quality assurance and their release capability is fantastic. So it's a very trusted operating system, and that complements what LINX needs to do as well. We've adopted the container lab environment to help us test offline. We've long had infrastructure as code as a way of operating our network. Working with Nokia around their operating system in the offline lab and how we test and how we release for our members, our production network, it's a huge benefit. We have adopted the container lab approach for our London One network, which is a multi-vendor network, and so we have a lab environment that is run through that, and we are that enables us to test operational releases. It improves our change management process, and hopefully it improves the quality of going live with new functionality into the production network. I would like to see us start to use the container lab across other vendors, across other networks, so that we can actually put all of LINX networks into that environment, and that will just continue to improve the way that we manage change and the way that we manage operational uptime. The LINX strategy, as well as the support of the established networks, takes us in two new directions. One is geographical expansion, and the other is offering a higher number of services as an overlay in a marketplace, a higher number of interconnection services. I think Nokia can help us on both the geographic and also the interconnection services. But in the immediate future is getting the geographic expansion into places like Kenya done and successful. I think then going forward from there, we'll work on the deep field DDoS service, we'll work on other technology overlays that Nokia can provide and see how we can integrate them into the LINX offering, which ultimately we want to release to our members to bring benefit to our customers.